After the Chief Justice's retirement, I appointed Meredith Grant, who had been an Associate Supreme Court Justice, to fill his position. With new staff in place, Chief Justice Grant is building on the foundation left by Justice Wah-Zha to create a service-based environment at the judicial branch, one that is both professional and responsive to the needs of the Osage people it serves. Chief Justice Grant believes that the tribal courts are an expression of self-governance and nationhood, which provides a community forum for the resolution of disputes and administration of justice. She plans to work with other branches of government to improve the judicial services community confidence. I share her vision and support her efforts. One of the ways the Osage Nation impact is felt in the construction of improvement of the roads and bridges by the Osage Nation Roads Department, which partners with the county, state, and federal government to improve the roadways in Osage County. The Roads Department is involved in many projects, too many to name, but here are just a few of their larger projects. The Roads Department is currently improving Chief Paul Pitts Road, which is a primary road connecting the towns of Barnsdall and Winona. The new construction, which includes building of 3 bridges, is expected to be finished by April of 2013 at a cost of $5 million. In July 2012, they completed the project on 2 Osage County roads, Dave Ware South and 39 Hill, which merges near the Bartlesville Casino. These roads have been the subject of many county commissioners' meetings in which citizens asked for reconstruction to improve the visibility and the road surface quality to make these roads safer. For this project, which took more than $5 million to complete, the Roads Department was honored last month as a runner-up for the best asphalt project for 2012 by the Oklahoma Asphalt Pavement Association. The Roads Department is set to begin the Osage Nation Heritage Trail, which began in the Gray administration, Comprehensive Gateway and Visitor Signage Project, which is funded by the $389,000 in federal grant money. Administered by the Oklahoma Department of Transportation and $173,000 in matching funds from the Osage Nation, this project will provide a scenic byway, rest areas called turnouts, which will contain monuments and facts about Osage culture and history. This will be on State Highway 60, which connects Bartlesville, Pawhuska, and Ponca City. When completed, this effort is certain to draw tourists and tourism dollars to this county. I'm happy today to report the master plan of the Osage campus is complete. The planning is complete. We are now in the process of designing facilities. The treasurer has been authorized by the Congress, the Osage Nation Congress, to evaluate lending institutions for the purpose of obtaining a $10 million loan to complete phase 1 of the master plan. During this past year, directors of each department were consulted to determine which services should be placed in proximity to one another for the convenience of constituents. In phase 1, 4 buildings are planned, along with the Welcome Center, to establish the campus entrance. All infrastructure to support these buildings will be included: walkways, roads, signage, parking, and utility upgrades. The Welcome Center will feature a roundabout roadway and a kiosk designed to showcase Osage culture. I'm glad to report that the arbor in Gray Horse is nearing completion and should be finished by May 1. So their new arbor is nearing completion. Next, I'd like to talk about our greatest resource, which is our children. My office has listened to the constituents' requests for improvements in the Osage Nation child care facilities. I worked with Congress to see these improvements become a reality. The Skytook and Barnsdall child care facilities will be renovated this year to address many of the concerns that have been brought to us. The design of the state-of-the-art Fairfax Family Center, which includes space for Title VI senior services, child care facilities, and is currently underway at this time. This has been a joint effort with Congress, the Osage Nation Congress, to enhance the quality of the Osage citizens. In 2012, the Social Service Department completed implementation of their automated child care case management system, which made the Osage Nation one of the first tribes to do this. The automated system enables data to be captured more effectively. For example, we'll be able to do a more comprehensive history check, track information more effectively, and as a result, families will have better outcomes. This data will help identify problem areas on the reservations so that they can be addressed and childhood abuse and neglect will be resolved as a result. Looking to the future, the Social Services is developing a 5-year recruitment plan to increase the number of Osage foster and adoptive homes through the United States. Social Service has completed recruitment DVD for foster and adoptive families. These are Osage children awaiting temporary or permanent homes, and this DVD has increased foster and adoptive family inquiries. I also want to tell you about the accomplishments of the Osage Nation Women, Infants, and Children's Department. Over the past 5 years, the number of women and children participating in this program has almost doubled from 1,500 to 3,300 participants. In addition to providing formula, they also provide mentoring programs, peer counseling, exercise, and nutrition classes. As a result, Osage women are establishing a positive trend to eliminate obesity and diabetes. WIC promotes a healthier lifestyle for Osage children and mothers. For their efforts, the United States Department of Agriculture has given the Osage Nation WIC Department a Performance Recognition Award. Educating our young people and adding skill training for working adult constituents is a high priority of this administration, and the Department of Education is making progress in this area. I'm happy to report that the Osage Nation Department of Education has awarded 2,200 scholarships to Osage students during the fiscal year of 2012. Students attending career tech colleges, universities, and professional schools is what this nation has done. I've always said that Osages have been very educated because of their resources. And it's true today. We're still educating our children because you can get, once you have an education, when you walk out, and you have the opportunity, more so than others who don't have an education. Bacone College and Tulsa Community College are now offering classes at Osage Nation Department of Education in Hominy to Osage Nation employees, high school students, and Osage constituents. This project is helping all high school students in Osage County receive concurrent college and high school credits. The Education Department's classroom training program assisted 50 constituents in Osage County with short and long-term training as well. The summer work program provided 80 jobs to Osage youth, enabling them to gain value work experience during the summer months, and 33 students participated in the department intern-extern program. Johnson O'Malley also provided school supplies to 2,000 students in Osage County. Osage students K through 12th grade are given the opportunity to receive one-on-one tutoring at all public schools in Osage County. In addition, Osage students are also eligible to receive tutoring through the Sylvan Learning Center throughout the United States. In addition, the Education Department Public School Support Program provides students living in Osage County with academic services and assistance they need to excel in their educational endeavors. The Education Department has a tribal education advocates for Woodland, Hominy, Pawhuska, and Sky-Two. These employees have enacted us to double the number of participating students, and the Human Resources Department is also working to cultivate a well-trained workforce in Osage County. I signed a contract with the Pawhuska Business Development Center which is a part of Tri-County Technology Center to provide training to employees. The HR department has also implemented random employee drug testing, held monthly meetings, designed and published a monthly newsletter to establish a temporary employment service, saving the nation around $18,000 annually. What we've done in the Human Resources Department, there's a pipeline that's going to go through the Osage County, and the Human Resource Department has been talking to the unions of the pipeline, and they're going to hire Osage young men when that pipeline reaches Oklahoma.